What is going on, guys? James Blue Tech coming to you here. One of the Black Friday deals I just scored for only $39, and that is the Gears 5 Kate Diaz controller for the Xbox One. So this is actually a great deal. I know one of my previous videos has said that special edition ones are not that big of a deal because they do the same thing, but I personally feel if it's the same price as the regular edition controllers, then why not pick it up? So that's what I did here. The first thing you'll notice here on the controllers, you'll see all these little etchings into it. I thought it was just a print at first, but when you actually feel the controller, you actually will notice that these designs are actually etched into the controller. And also the fact you get that nice little blue coloring underneath the thumbsticks, which is pretty nice as well. And you'll see that both the right and left trigger here have that same blue color as you find underneath the thumbsticks. And they also do have a bit of a textured grip to it as well. So when you're using it, it doesn't actually feel too bad when you're actually using that. Now on the back of the controller, you'll find the Locust Horde symbol. We'll find out more about that in Gears 5 if you haven't played it yet. But definitely that is kind of a nice little touch to it. Now I did open up the controller to see if there's any kind of little hidden thing on the inside of the battery pack here. There's absolutely nothing. Like you find in the Minecraft ones, there's little tiny hidden things inside there, but nothing inside this Gears 5 one. But now that we've taken a look at the controller, let's see what else we get here in the box. Underneath the controller, you'll find a couple of AA batteries. I probably won't be using these. I'll probably end up putting one of my rechargeable battery packs into it and probably using these AA's for something else. Underneath that, you'll end up getting a couple codes. The first one here will be just for a skin for the game. I'll probably hold on to that one for myself. But the other code you'll get here is actually for 2 weeks of Xbox Game Pass. So if you actually don't have Game Pass, you can use this code right here and you can actually get 2 weeks for free. Or you got this code here for 2 weeks of Xbox Live Gold for free. So this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Gears 5 Special Edition controller for the Xbox One. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to catch further notifications in the future. And if you guys want to hit me up on Twitter, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, this is James of Blue Tech, and have a good one.